Namaste, welcome to Sis Rekha's kitchen. Today I am making quinoa stuffed bell peppers. This is going to be a very healthy and tasty recipe. To make quinoa stuffed bell peppers, first I am going to prepare the quinoa with some vegetables and spices. Here you can see I cooked 1 cup of quinoa with 1.5 cups of water. So it came out nice and fluffy. If you have some leftover quinoa, you may use that if you want. I took 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and heated on medium heat. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, finely chopped some ginger and garlic, some green chilli. Stir them nicely. You can also add some mustard seeds if you want. I usually add mustard and cumin together. Add some finely chopped onion. Stir it once. Add some finely chopped carrot and some bell peppers. Adding some salt and turmeric. Stir it once and cook it covered just for few minutes. Let us check the vegetables. Looks like they are done. They are nicely cooked. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. But if you want, you can add some pizza seasoning, or you can also add some taco powder. Any Mexican seasoning you can add. That gives a different taste. So you can make different variations. Now adding the cooked quinoa and give it a stir. Once everything is mixed well, switch off the flame. Add finely chopped cilantro. Give it a stir again and keep it aside. Let us look at these bell peppers. This one has 4 lobes and the orange one has only 3 lobes. The green one also has 4 lobes. And this one, red one, has only 2 lobes. See the difference? And this one does not have any lobes at all, just one. Looks like a cone. Some people say different stories about these lobes, but I don't know much about that. I just want to show you different kinds of bell peppers. Now I am going to cut these bell peppers into half. Here the ones that has 4 lobes and 3 lobes, they can sit on the bottom, but the other ones that has only 2 lobes and then no lobe, they can't sit on the bottom. So that's why I used the top portion. I just removed the stack and I'm using the top portion so that sits nicely. Here I am heating my cast iron pan on medium heat and put a stand inside, and then I placed all the bell peppers on the stand. I covered them with a lid and baking it for 5 minutes. You can bake them in the oven, but today I'm just using my stove top. Here I have some pickled olives and jalapenos. I'm just chopping them finely, and I'm going to add these in the prepared quinoa. Now to the prepared quinoa, I'm adding some olives, jalapenos and some mozzarella cheese and mixing them together. I baked the bell peppers for 5 minutes. Now I am stuffing these bell peppers with the quinoa cheese mixture. You can stuff them as much as you want. Now add some cheese on top of the peppers. I am using mozzarella cheese, but you can use any cheese of your choice. Once you finish stuffing with cheese also. Put them back in the oven, or in my case I'm putting back in the cast iron pan, covering with a lid and baking for about 15 minutes because the temperatures are different with different ovens. So just bake it until the cheese is melted. After about 15 minutes, I opened the lid and sprinkled some dried basil and red chili flakes. And I baked them back with the lid for 5 more minutes. Let us see how the capsicum or the bell peppers are doing. They are baked nicely and there is a nice aroma from capsicum, cheese, herbs and spices. You can see the bottom also nicely baked. As I said earlier, you can customize for your taste. Like you can mix and match the spices and herbs. That way you will get the taste that you are looking for. I hope you all like this recipe. Please give it a try and let me know how your bell peppers came out. And thank you all for watching my video. If you like the recipe, please share it with your friends and don't forget to like my Facebook page. Please visit my Telugu channel and try those recipes also.